How to post a story on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Then, tap on the option Updates from the bottom left corner of your screen. You will then be taken to this page. Select the section My Status from this page. It will require to post a media from your gallery. Select a picture from the media gallery. Add a caption if you want, or edit the picture. Once you're done, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see the story has been uploaded at My Status section. Tap on it to view your story, and you can also see who else from your contacts viewed the story by just swiping up. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and post a story on WhatsApp.